That wasn't the best, but... Oh.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, me and my grandpa are going to go on a fishing adventure, and we are going to be going to a abandoned boat ramp and fishing there. It's a little, water's low there. There's a lot of little fish, but the catfishing there is sometimes pretty good, so we're gonna be bringing the cast net. We're gonna catch bait fish and then use it to catch the catfish, and then we're going to be hitting up a couple different spots depending on what time it is, and we're gonna see what we can catch in the cast net. We'll see you guys there. Alright, we are here.
Really shallow. This is like the shallowest I've ever seen it. Yeah. It's really muddy down there. Huh. I don't even know.
Obviously was a bridge here at one time.
Oh, I got something in here. Oh. Nope. We got a big shiner.
Look at that.
You want to use them as bait?
You can. You got a small one too.
We caught one big one, one little one. I'm pretty sure these are shiners. You want one?
Yeah.
You want the little or big one?
The little one. I'll just
Okay.
I'll just cut them.
Here, let's set them again. Me, I'm gonna get back. They stink. No, they're not bad. That one wasn't bad. You can have it. There's 3 of them. Jeez. We're gonna put them, hook them right through the back, like that. So where's yours at? Okay. Here, I'll put mine out here. Maybe I'll catch a bowfin. Come on. There you go. That out there. Oh my god, yeah, you do. Huh? You do. Is it something?
Yeah, it's on there. Something's on there.
Okay. Is it fighting? Is that it fighting or do you snag?
Unless you It went under something.
Oh no, you got a big you got a catfish. Here. Bring him in.
There you go.
Gramps caught a catfish. And I caught a bunch of mud.
Yep. Well, he whatever. I don't know what. I'm not.
Oh my gosh, look, it went. He ate it.
Swallowed it.
Well,
Come on.
you want me to get another? Give you another one? I'll go get.
Come on.
You want me to get your pliers?
Gotta be about out.
Careful where you put your finger at. You're right on his spike. Yeah, you almost have it. Ow, I just got a bit. You got it. You can get it.
There you go. Got him.
Grandpa caught a fish.
Slimy sucker.
I'm just gonna toss him. Ow! Got me on the way. Look.
Ooh. He did get you.
I just need water. Yeah, look at that. He got me. Got my thumb. Yeah. We got a bunch.
I thought there'd be stuff in here by these.
Oh yeah, there's a ton. Pick whatever you want. Those are shad.
How do you get them out of there?
Nope. Hold them out. I'm just. They're just. You just do this, but. And I think we got a perch too.
There you go.
He's stuck in there. Just gotta shake him out.
Oh, it is a perch.
Oh, come on. Something took it off.
You did have something.
Damn it.
Something was chewing on it. Well, there must be a little current moving out into the lake because that orange thing's over here now.
Okay, so we are at this little creek here. It comes out of the lake. We're gonna see if there's anything in here. I've seen carp and stuff in here before, so it makes me wonder what could be in here.
It's called Gravel Run.
Yeah, gravel run. Look, there's dead fish right there. How do you know? I smell something dead. If I cast this, I gotta be really careful. Yeah, maybe.
Somebody's been fishing here as well.
We'll try it. I just gotta be really careful. I don't want to get this hooked on anything. Oh my. Almost fell. I don't know if I have enough room even. Hear me? Huh? That wasn't the best, but. Oh! Oh yeah, oh yeah. We got two bass. Oh my god. Look at that. There's no way. That's awesome. Hey, and a little tiny bluegill too. Oh, there's a bluegill right there too. Oh my God. That's awesome. Dude.
That's a good fish in here.
Look at that. The bluegill. And 2 bass. Oh, dude, that's awesome. I mean, they're not huge bass, but come out of there. Oh. Come on, guy. Come on. No, they're largemouth. 2 largemouth bass, dude, out of the net. It's awesome. And we got 2 little, there's a little bluegill and a regular sized bluegill. We're gonna let these guys go and we're gonna see what else we can catch through. That's awesome.
Is this a little bass?
No, it's a bluegill. It's colorful, he's purple. We're gonna cast that again because that was a success and that wasn't even a good cast.
Dude, if I had a worm and a bobber, I'd catch fish here.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, we found a new spot. Well, they'd probably get stuck over here. See, this is a secret spot.
I should just put a little jig on it. Try it.
Go ahead, go ahead. There's got to be big fish in here too. Those aren't the only things in here. There's no way. I was thinking maybe a couple bluegill or something. Can I take back over there? I'll let you have over there. I don't know if this is very good. Oh yeah, that's a good cast. Ah, we get nothing though.
I'd be scared whatever we bring away.
Yeah, but where would they go?
They can swim back up in that pipe, but they can't get the wind back up.
I have an idea. Maybe if I throw it up, it'll like come down. That did not work. Huh? All right, let's see if that got anything, guys. Oh yeah, we got a bunch of crappie and stuff. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh, look at all the fish we just got. Look at all the crappie. That's unbelievable. Grandpa, come look at the crappie we just caught. Go, guys, look at all the crappie.
Oh my gosh.
This is crazy.
Where'd all they come from?
Well, you want to eat crappie for dinner? And we got a 1 bluegill, but those are all rest of those are crappie. Oh my God. Oh, this is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Look at this. This is an infinite crappie. How much did we get? That was 1, 2, 3, 4?
I threw 3 little ones back just now.
5 then. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12, that's it.
11, 12,
13. 15.
We got 15 crappie on a single cast, guys. That is 3 different species of fish. Oh my gosh. 2. now all that's left to catch is a big carp. All right, guys, let's get another one in. I might not have caught anything that time. Oh! Oh, there's, yes, 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 yes. We got even more. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. There's a little tiny shiner in there. Yeah, look at the bass. Oh, this is the most fun thing ever. Oh, we got more crappie too. Oh, looks to be there's two shiners right there. Look at these guys back in. Oh my gosh.
This is insane.
Bluegill. Dude. This is sick. This is the craziest thing ever, guys.
I got a couple hits on this, but I don't know.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, we'll see. You know, maybe I come here and try to catch some carp or something like that, because I've seen carp in here too. That's what I'm waiting for.
Snagged or
Snagged?
yeah.
Ugh.
Oh, it came out. Now it's snagged over here.
Oh, this is... You don't know what's in there. You're just kind of reeling in, you know? Hey, could you get this? Nah, I got it. Okay. All right, I'm gonna really try to get this out here without trying to hit anything. It's really hard. I keep hitting kind of the same spot every time, but I'm sure we got some more stuff. Yep, sure enough. We got a lot of shiners this time. That's a decent, or not shiners, my apologies, gizzard shad. Can you give me a hand, please? Oh. Okay. Okay. All right, well, we got a crappie here. So many crappie. This is... Two more crappie, guys. Oh, there you go. And there's a little tiny crappie, I think that's what that is. Actually, that is a white perch, I'm pretty sure. You've seen my tier list videos. I hate that fish with a passion. All right, for sure this is a little crappie. I put him back. All right. All right. Oh, you hit the car. All right, guys. Let's hope something good in this one. Looks like some gizzard shad only. Nothing crazy. We're just gonna drop it right here. We're not gonna look at it. Oh, actually one of those is a bluegill. Okay, let's go. Let's try a little cast this time. All right, perfect. Looks like we got a single crappie. See that? Just let him go. And we got a branch. All right, one more cast, and then we gotta leave. Leave before our luck runs out. What is it like over there? You think I could cast over there?
I don't think you can get it off over there.
Alright. Oh! Got lucky. Probably some stuff in there. No. Little. We got some stuff. 2 crappie. Or actually 3. Alright. No, one's a bluegill. All right.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you had as much fun watching the video than we had catching the fish, please like and subscribe. It'd mean a lot to me. And let me know what else we should do fishing wise, and we'll get to it. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.